Okay. Hi, good morning. Our title is What is Zero Waste? Let's first introduce ourselves. My name is Amutha, daughter of Armugam. I am BABM 4th student SAM.
Okay, my name is
Hello.
My name is Joini Hakim bin Jumri. I'm a PTJ student, semester 3, and my metric number is J46120. And today we will discuss about the zero waste. So let's meet all of my team members. Yeah, first.
Hi everyone, my name is Fadzlina binti Zainuddin and my metric number is J46176 and I'm second semester student.
Hi everyone, my name is Pavithra. I'm Bachelor Communication student SEM 2. My matrix number is J46170.
Okay, hello everyone.
Okay.
Shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, what is zero waste? We aim to send nothing to a landfill. We reduce what we need, reduce as much as we can, send little to. It's really about redefining the we currently live in a linear economy where we take resources from the earth and then dump them a giant hole in the ground. The goal of zero waste is to move to a circular economy where we write trash out to exercise. The circular economy mimics nature in that there is no trash in nature. Instead of discarding refuse, we create a system where all refuse can be resumed fully back into the system.
Okay,
Pass.
thanks Amutha. So we all now already know what is the meaning of a zero waste. So my part is to continue what is the advantages of zero waste. So zero waste protects the environment, benefit communities, and support a strong local economy. So zero waste reduce our climate impact. So I think this one is everyone already know about this. What we can do is reusing, and recycling can be key part of the climate change strategy to reduce our greenhouse gas emission. So, according to the US EPA, has estimate roughly 42% of all greenhouse gas emission are caused by the production and use of the goods, including food, product, and packaging. Reducing, reusing, and recycling will conserve that energy and dramatically reduce our carbon emissions. So to continue, zero waste, conserve resource and minimize pollution. Our current culture of the consumption is unsustainable. Extracting raw material from the natural space require a large amount of energy and cause pollution, whether it's a logging a forest, meaning for mineral, or drilling for oil. Processing this material requires more energy and cost by pollution. Once they are used, the goods are simply dumped in a landfill or destroyed in our incinerator. So in contrast, a zero waste approach conserves natural resources and reduce pollution from extraction, manufacturing, and disposal. Reducing and reusing mean fewer products are made. Our people buy less and as a product are made to the last. Recycling keep waste out of landfill and incinerator and provide manufacture with recycled instead of raw material to make a new goods. Uh, And then I think for zero waste, promote social equity and build community. A lot of zero waste approach can build community capacity, support marginalized communities, and protect community health. Community project focus on reuse, help distribute useful goods to those in needs, from leftover food donated to the shelter, to furniture and to refugee, to business clothing for those entering the job market. Community-based zero waste strategy like composting at a community garden, tool sharing and skill sharing to reuse and repair, build capacity to reduce waste and cost. That's all for me.
I would like to continue with the advantages of zero waste. The other advantages of zero waste is it protects the health of communities by reducing pollution in the air, water, and soil, by keeping toxics and waste out of landfills. Other than that, zero waste also supports a local circular economy and creates jobs. A zero waste Toronto builds a circular economy where one person's waste is a resource for something new. This creates good green jobs as resources are endlessly recirculated through our economy, instead of being used once and then disposed or destroyed. Recycling, composting, and diversion programs create 2 times more jobs than disposal. 6 green jobs are created in collecting and handling recyclable materials and processing at local recycles, waste depots, and compost facilities. Reducing and reusing materials create even more jobs in rental and sharing businesses, repair and tailoring, and reuse businesses. Moreover, zero waste needs business to play a key role. Right now, Torontonians pay most of the cost of our waste system through waste fees. A key part of this is requiring companies that import or make products and packaging take responsibility for the waste from those products. So these are my points.
So now I'm going to explain the disadvantages of zero waste. Obviously, we're going to have the advantages after the advantage. So look, if we're going to be a zero waste country, it is going to take a while to get to a zero waste lifestyle. Waste reduction and diversion program are still largely in development and implementation phase. For example, in most part of US. They will require extensive education and behavioral change at mass scale to be successful. This will also entail the cooperation of company with respect to product packaging. Plus, unlike tanking, recycling levels up higher than ever attempted before, which will take many years to achieve. It is better to properly compost landfills to reduce landfills gas emission. To do that, there is no need to wait while the necessary technology is developed for collecting and then generalized useful power from landfill case because the technology is well proven. Also, these advantages of zero waste had been highlighted in another country, such as Spain. Waste incineration in cement kilns is a widespread reality in Spain that is causing major distress to local communities, as it brings one more time confirmed in field gathering of the Spanish network against incineration in cement kilns. Cement kilns are currently burning municipal waste, used tires, bone, and etc., which has severe consequences for public health and destroy limited natural resources, which could be solved, which could be saved, recycled, and or be used according to current Spanish and European legislation, said Carlos Arribas from Ecologists and Ecologists in his intervention. In this article, they cite research which is thought to show that cement kiln incineration is causing emission of carcinogens. Therefore, it is presumed that they are causing cancer in the local population. So that is my disadvantages.
Okay, I look like to continue about zero waste. Yes, ending landfill sounds great, but they are the zero waste stage. We decide to answer the question: is the goal of not sending any waste to landfill really such a good idea? Idea popular with the public around much of the world, but it is really so good. But I am normally a zero waste blogger. I am usually in favor of dividing all waste away from landfill and setting the gate on the last landfill would win my approach. Cutting back to on the waste end up in landfill, we always favor by those that lie close to them, and naturally when it was suggested that no waste should go into landfill of people were in favor. So it was not long unthought.
Okay, so everyone already shared their own advantage and disadvantage of the zero waste. So I believe we can now continue with our personal opinion on the zero waste. So basically, from my point of view, zero waste is hard to do on the Malaysian people because, as you know, Malaysian people is tend to do waste. So I give you an example. Let's say if we go to the shopping mall to buy groceries from the shopping mall, so even the shopping mall already charge 20 cents for each plastic bag that we use. So, but most of the people do not bring their own recycle bag to the shopping mall to save the plastic bag from the shopping mall. So I guess uh, we had to do the zero waste on Malaysia. So what about you, Fadzlina?
I kind of agree with you because Malaysia already said that every Saturday we're going to charge 20 cent, right, on plastic bag. So for me, it's not hard actually for Malaysia to do it because as for example, Malacca government already implement the ban of plastic using for all supermarket and mall. So it they have to bring their own bag, the recycle bag. So it's really good and it can improve quality of life and also it can reduce pollution caused by use of plastic. Thus, it can preserve the green environmental that we had now. So that's my opinion. So what about you, Pavithra?
I agree with Hakim's opinion because from my view, the residents are not actually careless but lazy to bring their own bags. Like supermarkets such as Tesco and Giant are providing eco-friendly and go green bags for their customers to buy and use each time they go for shopping. But still, there are some of them are not following the rules. They are still like even though they need to pay 20 cents for each bags, they are willing to pay for each bags other than buying only one eco-friendly bag and bring each time they go for shopping.
Yeah, that is correct. So I think for to do zero waste in Malaysia, we need a support from the government, from the shopping complex, and also from the food manufacturing such as McDonald's, Starbucks, and also on. So I give you an example. For Starbucks, last I heard they offered discount 22 ringgit of each of the drink if the customer bring their own bottle or the glass. So I think this is quite good to support or to encourage the customer to bring their own glass. So from that, we can save more paper and also plastic too. So we can save our plastic bag, and then can actually can do a zero waste in Malaysia. Yeah.
From my view, not only our residents need to be responsible. Our government had implemented zero waste movement since 2017, but they are not too strict with their rules. Like they already implement zero waste, like no straws and no plastic bags. But still, there are a lot of like restaurants like KFC, McD,
Okay, in my
or all
opinion,
restaurants.
zero waste protect the environment. Okay, in my opinion, zero waste protect the environment, benefit communities, and supports a strong local economy. That's all.
So I think Pavithra and also Amutha is agree with my opinion that there's a lot of people, Malaysian people, are not agree to do zero waste. So I think only Fadzlina is agree with the zero waste. But yeah, everyone has their own opinion. I support, and I 100% support of their opinion. So yeah, but for my to support my opinion is, I think, yeah, we can do a zero waste maybe in future, but our government need to more stronger in behind. And I think they will need to do fine. They need to find everyone that I think that cannot or cannot do the zero waste, and they tend to do zero waste. Yeah,
Can I add a little bit?
sure.
For
Okay.
actually, government can also be partnership with the non-government profit from Malaysia. Actually, they also have the Zero Waste Malaysia non-profit government at here. So because of that, we also can help by we can also start practice zero waste at our home actually, by use recycle, and then using the plastic free and organic product. So that is my opinion.
Yeah. So I think we can go straight to the conclusion.
So in conclusion, each of us have different opinions. Like most of us did not agree with the zero waste management, that we told that zero waste in Malaysia is difficult. Actually, implementing and practicing zero waste in Malaysia is difficult, but it is not impossible to be done in Malaysia. The government and other residents need to play their role to success the zero waste management.
Yeah, I agree. Let's hope maybe in another 2 or 3 years we can do we can do a zero waste, none of zero waste. So let's hope that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's all from us. I think this discussion will be end. Thank you, everyone.
Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.